Hello and welcome you all. Myself, Dhananjay Patil, lecturer, Kekewag Institute of Pharmacy, Nashik. Today we are going to learn about minerals in life processes, part 3. In this part 3, we are going to cover macro principal elements that magnesium, sulfur, phosphorus, and chloride. So, magnesium, adult body contains 20 gram magnesium, 70% found in bones in combination with calcium and phosphorus, 30% found in soft tissues and body fluids. Biochemical function includes magnesium is required for the formation of bones and teeth. Magnesium serves as a cofactor for several enzymes requiring ATP. Example hexokinase, glucokinase, phosphofructokinase, adenylate cyclase. Along with the calcium ion and hydrogen ion, it is able to depress the neuromuscular activity and balances the action of sodium and potassium. Sources widely distributed in vegetables and animal tissues, cereals, nuts, beans, cabbage, cauliflower, meat, milk, and fruits. Dietary requirements for adult man include 350 mg per day, for adult woman 300 mg per day. Disease state: magnesium deficiency causes neuromuscular irritations, weakness, and convulsions. These symptoms are similar to that observed in tetanus, calcium deficiency, which are relieved only by magnesium. Malnutrition, alcoholism, and cirrhosis of liver may lead to magnesium deficiency. Low levels of magnesium may be observed in uremia, rickets, and abnormal pregnancy. The low magnesium level observed in kwashiorkor causing weaknesses. Sulfur, it is mostly present in organic form. Methionine, cysteine, and cysteine are the three sulfur-containing amino acids present in the proteins. Proteins containing about 1% sulfur by weight. Biochemical functions: sulfur-containing amino acids are very important for the structural conformation and biological functions of protein, including enzymes, hormones, structural proteins, etc. The vitamins thiamine, biotin, lipoic acid, and coenzymes A of pantothenic acid contain sulfur. Heparin, chondroitin sulfate, glutathione, taurocholic acid are some important sulfur-containing compounds. Sulfur in the form of methionine involved in the intermediary metabolism and detoxification mechanism. Sources include protein diet rich in methionine and cysteine. Dietary requirement: adequate intake of sulfur containing essential amino acid methionine and cysteine will meet the body needs. Disease state: in case of renal function impairment, pyrolic and intestinal obstruction, and leukemia, serum sulfate concentration increases. Development of acidosis is marked from sulfate retention in advanced glomerulonephritis. Phosphorus: adult body contains about 1 kilogram phosphate, and it is found in every cell of the body. 80% is combination with calcium found in bones and teeth, 10% in muscles and blood, and 10% in various chemical compounds. Biochemical function includes phosphorus is essential for the development of bones and teeth. It plays a central role for the formation and utilization of high energy phosphate compound. Example ATP, GTP, creatinine, phosphate. Phosphorus is required for the formation of phospholipid, phosphoproteins, and nucleic acid such as DNA and RNA. It is an essential component of several nucleotide coenzymes. Example NAD+, NADP+, pyridoxal phosphate, ADP, AMP. Several proteins and coenzymes are activated by phosphorylation. Phosphate buffer system is important for the maintenance of pH in the blood 7.4 as well as in the cell. Sources include milk, cereals, leafy vegetables, meat, eggs, fish, nuts. Dietary requirements for adult man and woman 500 to 800 mg, for pregnant and lactating women 1 to 1.2 gram, for infant and children 400 to 800 mg. Disease state: serum phosphate level is increased in the hypoparathyroidism and decrease in hyperparathyroidism. In severe renal diseases, serum phosphate content is elevated causing acidosis. Vitamin D deficient rickets is characterized by decreased serum phosphate 1 to 2 mg per deciliter. Renal rickets in associated with the low serum phosphate level and increased alkaline phosphatase activity. In diabetes mellitus, serum content of organic phosphate is lower while that of inorganic phosphate is higher. Chlorides. Chloride is a constituent of sodium chloride, hence the metabolism of sodium and chloride and sodium are intimately related. Biochemical functions: chloride is involved in the regulation of acid-base equilibrium, fluid balance, and osmotic pressure. These functions are carried out by the interaction of chloride with sodium and potassium. Chloride is necessary for the formation of HCl in the gastric juice. Chloride shift involves the active participation of chloride ions. The enzyme salivary amylase is activated by chloride. Sources: common salts, whole grains, leafy vegetables, eggs, and milk. Dietary requirements include daily requirement of chloride as a sodium chloride is 5 to 10 gram per day. Disease state: hypochloremia. Hypochloremia or hypochloremia is an electrolytic disturbances in which there is an abnormally low level of chloride ion in the blood. The normal serum range for chloride is 97 to 107 milliequivalent per liter. It rarely occurs in the absence of other abnormalities. It's sometimes associated with hypoventilation, hyperchloremia. Hyperchloremia is an electrolytic disturbance in which there is an elevated level of the chloride ion in the blood. The normal serum range for chloride ion is 96 to 106 milliequivalent per liter. Therefore, chloride level at or above 110 milliequivalent per liter usually indicated kidney dysfunction, as it is regulator of chloride concentration. Thank you so much.